Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY lash lift tutorial at home. You are going to need a lash lift kit. I got this one off Amazon for $13 Canadian. You're also going to need silicone rods, which you can purchase separately, eyelash glue. I really recommend these pointy tweezers. It's going to make the process so much easier. A garbage nearby, and a box of Q-tips. The first thing you want to do is apply eyelash glue to your silicone rod. Next, you want to apply eyelash glue to your eyelid, not too high up, the lower crease is sufficient. Next, you want to apply your eyelash rod to your eyelid. This is the trickiest part. You don't want to catch any lashes underneath the rod. You want to make sure that they're all out so they can all be curled. You want to hold it in place for a few seconds so that it is thoroughly stuck to your eyelid, and sometimes you have to go and re-glue the corners just to make sure that they stay down. Once you feel that the rod is in a good position, you can apply glue to the outside of the rod where your lashes are going to stick to it. Then you're going to want to take tweezers, and this is where the pointy tweezers really come in handy. You want to use them to slowly attach all your lashes to the eyelash rod. Take your time with this and make sure that you take care in how your eyelashes are positioned against the rod. The next thing I do is I apply more glue to the eyelashes to make sure that they are really thoroughly stuck to these rods, because in the past, I've had them detached during the perming process, so I always add extra glue to prevent this from happening. And I'm pressing it down again, just to make sure it's really glued right on there. Next, I use the pointy end of the tweezers to arrange the lashes how I would like them to look when they are being permed. So as you can see, they're all crooked and messed up and tangled, so I'm detangling them and straightening them so that they look this way when they are set and permed. Now I'm going to apply a third layer of glue just to triple make sure that none of these lashes detach. Next, you want to grab your perming solution and apply a generous amount to your Q-tip. Then you want to apply generous amounts of the perming solution to your eyelashes. You want to make sure that every single eyelash is absolutely drenched in this perming solution to make sure that your eyelashes perm. Next, you want to grab a clean Q-tip and remove as much of the perming solution as you can. With a clean Q-tip, apply a generous amount of setting solution to every single lash on both eyes. And again, with a clean Q-tip, remove as much of the setting solution as you possibly can. And our last step is to use the adhesive remover to remove your eyelash rods from your eyelids. So I like to use this back and forth motion in order to unstick all your eyelashes from your eyelash rod. Then you want to go ahead and just clean up as much of the glue as you can with this adhesive remover. You might want to grab a paper towel or an eyelash comb to comb out all the glue and remove it all from your eyelids. Here's the finished result. I'm just combing out the last little pieces of glue here with this eyelash comb. It really comes in handy. You can get eyelash combs for really cheap pretty much at any beauty store. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe. I'll have lots to come in the future.